So this video क्या मैंने अपनी टंग चबा दी। Now there are a couple of things you have to avoid after shaving your face. चिड़िया। Hey you all, thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I remove my facial hair, my blackheads, and in short how I do my face grooming at home. So this is the most requested video so far, and even I personally wanted to share with you all my routine because I have been doing this routine since 1 year now and I'm totally loving the results. So without losing a minute, let's get into it. So the very first step I like to do in my grooming routine is I shave my face. Yes, I shave my face, and a lot of you guys ask me if I shave my face or not, and I have been doing this for past 1 year now and I'm totally loving the results. Now the reason why I love shaving my face is it's simple and really quick. It just takes maximum 20 minutes. Number 2, it makes your foundation look really smooth and beautiful. Number 3, exfoliate. It also exfoliates your skin by removing the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Now these are the reasons why I like to opt for shaving instead of waxing, threading, and please never go for waxing. Waxing is so painful and it can also cause skin irritation, redness, and also do you know if you wax your upper lips, it can cause wrinkles and it can also make your skin look really loose. So please avoid waxing and threading. So मैंने भी बहुत बोल दिया है. So without losing a minute, let's start the process. So before shaving your face, make sure your face is clean, 100% clean, and there should be no makeup, zero makeup. Okay, so I'm going to use this face wash. This is my favorite face wash. This is from the Face Shop India Foaming Cleanser, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये मेरा second tube है. It's really amazing. Highly recommended. तो अभी मैं मुँह धो के आई. तुम लोग यहीं रुको. Wait 2 minutes. And now I'm going to use this Tinker razor. And इसमें आते हैं 3, लेकिन अभी मेरे पास एक ही बचा है. So it looks like this. And it's really cheap, you know. It's for 200 rupees and it is a pack of 3. And it's available on Nykaa, medical store, and शायद DMart में भी मिलता है. मैंने एक बार देखा. Okay, so before using the razor, I'm going to apply moisturizer. You have to apply a really thin layer of moisturizer because you don't want to cut your skin. So apply moisturizer, any good moisturizer, and just apply it. So I'm going to shave my whole face. तो मैं पूरे मुंह पे लगा रही हूँ. Okay बच्चों, तो हमने ये कर लिया है. Now lift your skin up and you have to shave it in downward direction like this. Now remember, it should be with zero pressure. You have to do it very lightly like this. Like this. Yes. Like this. I like to do this once in 2 weeks or depending on my hair growth. Now the most common question I get about shaving my face is, does it grow back thicker or darker? And my answer is no. I've been doing this since a long time and it has grown out the exact same. So no, it doesn't grow back thicker or darker. Now you can also shave your eyebrows according to your size or shape, but I personally don't do anything to my eyebrows. बचपन से पता नहीं क्यों, because I like my eyebrows like this only and I never do anything to it. Make sure तुम अपने बाल ना काट लो. Now this part can be a little tricky, so you have to be really careful. Wipe it off, wipe it off. I totally love my face after shaving. It looks so smooth. I don't know ये कैमरा से दिखाई दे रहा है नहीं, लेकिन my skin looks so amazing. Like it's amazing for no makeup look. You just have to apply some concealer and you are done. Also, if you guys are below 18, I won't suggest you guys to do it. 20 तक रुक जाओ, मैंने भी 20 में स्टार्ट किया था. Until unless you have thicker hair और way too much hair जिससे तुम confident feel नहीं कर रहे हो, तो तुम कर सकते हो. वरना I would suggest wait for 20, then you can do it. Now there are some razors that are smaller in size, so वो ज़्यादा convenient होता है यहाँ पे. So you can offer that. अभी मेरे पास नहीं है, so I'm using this one only. But it's available on Nykaa. मैंने देखा था. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Also, once you have shaved your face, throw this away. You don't have to use this one. Just use a new one and throw this away. तो मैं अभी फेंकने जा रही हूँ. Now after this, if you feel your skin is feeling itchy or मतलब समझ जाओ, so you can use a rose water. I'm going to use a rose water spray, and this is from Amira London. And just spray it to your face. Now after applying rose water, you have to moisturize your skin. But for now, I'm skipping this step because I have to apply a blackhead remover and you have to apply it directly. That's why I'm skipping this step. So I'm going to use this. This one is from Hip Hop. Charcoal nose strips. So number one rule is to wet your nose because the strip won't stick on dry face. So you have to wet your nose and you can use warm water or any water. So I'm just wetting it. So it looks like this and you have to peel the strip and apply the black side on your nose like this. Gently press it. Now keep it for 10 minutes and then we can remove it. Now just remove it. Okay. बहुत ज़्यादा gross है, मैं नहीं दिखाना चाहूँगी, but it works amazing for me and this one is the first brand जो मैंने use किया है blackhead remover के लिए and मैं अब तक यही use कर रही हूँ. It's amazing. Can you hear birds? Now after this you can wash your nose. मैंने अपने nose wash कर लिया है. And now again I like to apply rose water. So I'm going to spray again. मैंने ना अभी rose water की जगह hair serum उठा लिया. After this you have to moisturize your skin. This is the last step and you're done. मैंने अभी वीडियो बनाते बनाते अपना मिरर तोड़ दिया है. Now next I'm also going to use a lip mask. This is from Encloset. Now there are a couple of things you have to avoid after shaving your face. Number one is don't exfoliate. Do not exfoliate immediately after shaving your face because the skin is really sensitive after shaving the face than it typically is. Now number two is do not apply makeup immediately after shaving your face. Wait for at least 1 hour to be safe and after 1 hour you can apply your makeup. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I know बहुत ज़्यादा ही ज्ञान था, but this is how I shape my face. And also in case you have missed my last video, you can check it out now. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार है. My mom has done my makeup, जो कभी नहीं करती है. मज़ा आएगा, check it out. Also, if you have any video suggestion for my next Friday video, comment it down and I will see you next Friday. Bye.